Have you truly gone deep in what's happening with AI? Because if you are, the way you're operating in the world today is going to be radically different. Are you really using AI in a deep way, or are you just dabbling? Like 99% of the people playing around with prompts, because there is dabbling and then there's mastery. And if you gain AI mastery, here's what's likely going to happen. What typically would take you 5 days of work a week, you're going to be able to reduce to 3 days. And I want to tell you my story because this is so important for all entrepreneurs, CEOs, and founders out there. So I started using ChatGPT on January 31st. 2 months later, something crazy happened. I realized I was only having to work 3.5 days a week. Yes, using AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and the whole plethora of tools that are emerging right now involving AI literally reduced my work week as the CEO of a 400-person company from 5 days a week to 3.5 days. I'm still shocked that this happened. Now in this video, I want to show you how it happened and why this is so important for any entrepreneur, any founder, any CEO, any C-level exec. When ChatGPT launched, it rapidly became the fastest adopted consumer app in history. And within a few weeks, 40% of all office workers around the world had tried using ChatGPT, but most people simply dabbled. I really wanted to go deep. So we formed an AI squad in my company. I hired people to go deep into all the emerging AI tools and figure out how can we use this to boost productivity. I was shocked. I would think that a founder's job could not be automated by AI, but the fact is, it was. Before I knew it, AI was helping me with a wide variety of tasks. Check this out. Many of the videos I create are scripted in half the time because of AI. The work it takes me to write a book has been reduced by 40% because of AI. I use AI to prepare investor decks. I've used AI to upscale design elements across my brand and company. I've used AI to recognize my voice and my tone of writing and speaking and take writing pieces from interns and update them so it's written in my voice. When I saw how much AI was changing my life, I started training everyone in my team. Our company weekly meetings were all about AI adoption. Here's what happened to Carolina, who runs the blog team at Mindvalley. This is so cool.
Solution showed us a 5-step AI process, thanks to which it radically reduced our blog writing time from 8 hours to 5 hours per article. And what this means is that a writer who could produce 5 articles in a week can now produce the same 5 articles in just 3 days.
A writer who could produce 5 articles a week could now produce the same 5 articles in 3 days. We were not replacing writers. I'm a writer. I earn my income from writing books. AI isn't replacing me. There's this element of the human soul and creativity that I don't think AI can replace, but AI was speeding up my writing by helping me with grammatical corrections, with helping me with research, helping me put ideas together, and helping me conceptualize new concepts. Our writers were able to go from 8 hours to write a blog article to 5 hours, but it didn't stop there. You see, AI is not just ChatGPT. We started using a tool called Midjourney to create beautiful new imagery. Before this, we were buying imagery for our blog from stock photo websites, and this was expensive, costing us thousands of dollars a month. But look at what happened when we started using AI to create images. This went to this. This became this. Look at the before and the after, and you'll see the vast improvement. The quality of our entire blog started elevating because we had trained our team to become AI competent. Here's really what's going on over there. We're using 2 different tools. We got ChatGPT to understand unique styles of images. We trained ChatGPT to understand our company values, our company colors, company imagery. And it's creating pictures for our blog post based on nothing more than a headline. And it's creating the right picture for that blog post. And these pictures actually fit our company style. After training ChatGPT, I put in 1 line and it creates a prompt that is then put into Midjourney, which is a generative AI engine that creates imagery, and Midjourney produces the images that we need. Now, of course, I didn't stop here. All my talks that I give around the world right now, my slide decks have unique images created by AI. Now look, we know that there are concerns about AI, and that's a whole other video that we will do in the future. But what I wanted to talk about today is simply how AI can save you time. By reducing my workload from 5 days a week to 3.5 days a week, so many beautiful things happened. I got to travel and see the world more because I had more free time. I got to sit down with mentors who could help me be a better CEO, go into ideation mode and think of new ways to expand the business. I got more time to attend weddings of friends, weddings I perhaps wouldn't have had the time to attend before, but AI had given me that time. I got to even create a new product that generated $2 million in sales, and I had the time to conceptualize that product because AI had freed up so much unnecessary work. So one of the things we want to do at Mindvalley is bring world-class AI education to founders, entrepreneurs, CEOs, and people who are working as knowledge workers everywhere. You see, Mindvalley is the world's foremost transformational platform. We're about creating better humans. In today's world, you cannot discuss creating better humans without discussing AI. So this summer, starting July 14, 15, and 16, we're launching a 3-day AI summit with 7 of the best AI trainers I have come across, including my own internal AI trainers right here in Mindvalley who are transforming our organization. And all of this is completely free. All you got to do is click on the link in bio and sign up, and you can access the landing page, see all the different topics we're going to be covering. This is completely free. And by attending this summit, you are going to buy back hours a week permanently. You're going to learn such exciting things as how to use AI to speed up writing, how to create art with AI, how AI is about to transform the music industry. You're going to learn how to apply AI as a CEO. And we're also going to go beyond just AI. We're going to go into a new class of software called no-code tools. Could you imagine if you could create your own apps, create your own software tools for your company with no programming background? You're going to learn about tools like Airtable, which we use internally in Mindvalley to create our own software for just about anything. And all of this is being done by lay people with zero programming experience. So click the link in the bio to join Mindvalley's AI Summit, and you are about to have your life completely transformed.